Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Explain Maths. Now in this video, I will be solving the questions of exercise 2.2 of the chapter linear equations in one variable. So let's begin the class. Question number 1. Solve the following linear equations. First question is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So now in such type of question, what you can do, you bring all the variables in one side and keep the constant on the other side. So I will be bringing x by 3 from RHS to LHS and I will be shifting minus 1 by 5 from LHS to RHS. So I will be doing the transposing method. I'm going to use the transposition method. Okay. So now let's start doing it. So what I will do first, here I will write first x by 2. Now I said I will transpose x by 3 from RHS to LHS. So this will become minus x by 3 equal to 1 by 4. Now from RHS I have shifted x by 3 to LHS, right? So I am left only with now 1 by 4. And now I will be shifting this 1 by 5 to RHS. So here you can see it is minus 1 by 5. When I transpose minus 1 by 5 to the other side, it will become plus 1 by 5, right? So hope it is clear till now. So here you have to follow the steps one by one. Okay. Many times I have seen that a student, they get scared by seeing fractions and all. Okay. So no need to worry. You just follow the method which I am telling. Bring all the variable to one side and constant to the other side. Now I am going to take the LCM in the LHS. So LCM in the LHS, if you see, the numbers are 2 and 3. And we know that both 2 and 3 are prime number. So for prime number, LCM is their product. So 2 and 3, product of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay. Now you have to see in 2 how much you will multiply to get 6, isn't it? So in 2 I have to multiply by 3. So in the numerator also I have to multiply x with 3. So I will get 3x. Okay. So here I will write 3x. Same way now in 3 how much you will multiply to get 6. So 3 I have to multiply by 2. So here also in x I have to multiply it by 2. So it will become 2x equal to, now LCM of 4 and 5. So you can see 4 and 5 both are co-prime number. Co-prime number means two numbers whose common factor is only 1. So you can see the common factor of 4 and 5 is 1. So in such a case also LCM will be their product. So LCM of 4 and 5 will be 20. So now in 4, how much I will have to multiply to make it 20? So 4 times 5 will give me 20. So if I have to multiply 5 in the denominator, I have to multiply 5 in the numerator also, isn't it? So 1 into 5 will be 5. And in the second fraction, if you see, denominator is 5. Now in 5, how much I will multiply to get 20? So it is 4. So in 1 also I have to multiply by 4. So 1 into 4 is 4. Next. 3x minus 2x will give me x by 6 equal to 5 plus 4 is 9 by 20. Now from LHS I am going to transpose 6 to the right hand side. Now 6 is divided here, and division, when I will transpose, it will become multiplication. So it will be x by 6 equal to 9 by, sorry, 6 will not be there because I am transposing now. So it will be x equal to 9 by 2 into 9 by 20 into 6. And now I have to reduce it. So 2 3s are 6, 2 times 10. So from here I can write the value of x will be 9 into 3, 27 by 10. And 27 by 10, you can write it as 2.7 also. So either you give answer as 27 by 10 or you can give answer as 2.7. So this is your first question. So hope it is now clear that how you have to solve step by step. Okay, again I am repeating. First you have to bring all the variable to the one side and constant to the other side. And if it is a fraction, you have to take LCM and all. Okay. Now moving to the second question. So it is n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equal to 21. So if you see, this equation is having variable n and all the variables in the left hand side and constant 21 is on the right hand side. So already here all the variables in the left one side, right? So I don't have to transpose anything to bring the variable to one side. Just I have to take LCM of 2, 4 and 6. Okay. So there is an easy method to find the LCM. You know prime factorization method to find the LCM. The easy method is what you can do. You start reading the table of the smallest number in the denominator. So if you see 2, 4 and 6, 2 is the smallest number, right? So you start reading the table of the smallest number and you see, so first two table you will get 2. Now you have to see whether in 4 and 6 table 2 comes or not. So 2, it doesn't come. So move to next multiple of 2. Okay, I am writing the table of this 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, you have to do it mentally in your mind fast. Next is 2 into 2 is 4. Now you have to see whether 4 comes in the table of 4 and 6 or not. So it comes in table of 4 but it doesn't come in the table of 6. So it can't be the multiple. Next, 2 threes are 6. Now 6 doesn't come in the table of 4. 2 fours are 8. 8 doesn't come in the table of 6. 2 fives are 10. 10 doesn't come in the table of 4 and 6. And next is 2 6 are 12. Now 12 comes in the table of 2 also, 4 also, 6 also. So from here quickly you can know that the LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12. See, I have written here and I have showed step by step, but you can do it mentally also. Okay, it will be more fast. So 9 2 table when 12 comes. So 2 times 6 will give me 12. So 6 you have to multiply in the numerator also. So it will become 6n. Then in the second fraction denominator is 4. In 4 how much I will multiply to get 12? So it is 4 times 3. So in the numerator which is 3n also I have to multiply by 3. So it will give me 9n. Plus 6 times 2 will give me 12. So 5n into 2 will give me 10n equal to 21. Now 6n minus 9n. Okay, 6n minus 9n. 6 minus 9 will give me minus 3n plus 10n. And I'm transposing this denominator 12 to the other side. So division will change to multiplication. Next, minus 3n plus 10n will give me 7n equal to 21 into 12. And now I'm going to transpose 7 to the other side. So 7n means 7 into n. So multiplication will change to division. So here it is 7. Now simplify. 7 times 3 will give me 21. So it is 3 into 12 which will give me 36. So this is the answer for the second question. So slowly I am explaining it such that you are able to understand all the steps clearly. Okay. So now moving to the next question. The third question. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equal to 17 by x 6 minus 5x by 2. So here also as I have said in the previous question, bring all the variable to one side. So you can see in the RHS minus 5x by 2 is there. That you have to transpose it to the LHS. And from LHS plus 7 transpose to the RHS. Okay, so let's do it. So it will be x will remain here. Minus 8x by 3 will also remain here. Now I'm transposing minus 5x by 2 to here. So it will become minus will change to plus equal to 17 by 6. Now plus 7 I'm transposing to RHS. So plus will become minus. Okay. Now I have to take the LCM. So x I can write as x by 1. 7 also I can write as 7 by 1. So first I am taking the LCM of LHS part. So LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So I will write here 6. Now in one table when 6 comes, when 1 is multiplied by 6. So numerator also multiply by 6. So it will be 6x minus. In the second fraction, denominator is 3 and 3 times 2 will give me 6. So 8 times 2 will give me 16x plus 2 table 6 comes 3 times. So 2 times 3 is 6. So 5x into 3 will give me 15x. Okay. Now moving to the RHS. LCM of 1 and 6 is 6 only. So 6 table to 6 comes 1 time. So 17 into 1 is 17 only minus 1 table when 6 comes when 1 is multiplied by 6. So 7 also multiply by 6. It will become 42. Now if you see here 6x minus 16x. So 6 minus 16 will give me minus 10x plus 15x divided by 6 equal to 17 minus 42 will give me minus 25 by 6. Again in LHS, minus 10x plus 15x will give me 5x, and I'm transposing this 6 from the LHS to RHS. So division will change to multiplication. So minus 25 by 6 into 6. 6 and 6 cancel. Now I am transposing 5 to the RHS. So multiplication will change to division. So minus 25 by 5 will give me minus 5. So this is the third question. Now fourth question. X minus 5 by 3 equal to x by 3 minus 5. So here also everything, here if you see, x minus 5 by 3 equal to x minus 3 by 5. So here what you can do, first you transpose this denominator, okay, or you can do just cross multiplication, okay, like that it will be easy to do, because here variables are not separate, okay. It is not x by 3, it is x minus 5 by 3. So what I'm going to do, I'll first transpose 5 from RHS to LHS. So division will change to multiplication, and from LHS this 3 I am transposing to RHS, so again division will change to multiplication, okay. So now it will be 5 into x 5x minus 5 into 5 25. I am using distributive property. Then 3 into x is 3x minus 3 into 3 is 9. Now I am bringing the variable to one side. So 5x, I am bringing 3x from RHS to LHS. It will be minus 3x. And then I am transposing minus 25 to RHS. So minus 25 will become plus 25 and then minus 9. So 5x minus 3x is 2x and 25 minus 9 is 16. Next transpose 2 to the RHS. So it will be 16 by 2 equal to 8. So from here I have got the solution of the equation as 8. Okay, now moving to the next question. Now fifth question. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Now here also I will transpose this minus t from RHS to LHS first. Okay, so it will become 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 minus t will become plus t equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Now one more thing I will tell all the student to do in such type of question. You please put a bracket over here. Okay. Otherwise many times I have seen children they miss this minus sign. You know that when there is a minus sign and here two terms are there, the sign will change, right? Many times students forget to do that. So I am telling, as soon as you see such type of question, you put the bracket. Now here it is t by 1. Now I am going to take the LCM of 4 and 3. Now 4 and 3 both are co-prime number, isn't it? So LCM will be 12. And in 4 table when 12 comes, 4 times 3. So here in 3t minus 2 you have to multiply it by 3, because 4 table when 12 comes, when 4 is multiplied by 3. So in numerator also you have to multiply by 3. Same way here in 3 table when 12 comes, when 3 is multiplied by 12, it's 3 is multiplied by 4. So 3 times 4 gives 12. So 4 you have to multiply in the numerator part also. So let's do that. So it will be 4 times 3 is 12. So here it will be 3 into 3t minus 2 minus 4 times 2t plus 3. Now in the third one, if you see in 1, you have to multiply by 12 to get 12. So in the numerator t also multiply by 12. Okay. Now use the distributive property. So 3 into 3t will give me 9t minus 3 into 2 will give me 6. Same way, minus 4 into 2t will give me minus 8t, and minus 4 into plus 3 is minus 12. And then plus 12t divided by 12 equal to 2 by 3. Now 9t minus 8t will give me t, and then plus 12t I am writing here, and then minus 6 minus 12 is minus 18, and then I am transposing the denominator 12 to the RHS. So it will be 2 by 3 multiplied by 12 because division will change to multiplication. So 3 times 4. And t plus 12t is 13t. Minus 18 I am transposing to other side. So here it is 2 into 4 which will give me 8 plus 18. So from here I will get 13t equal to 8 plus 18 is 26. So t will be equal to 26 by 13 which will give me the answer as 2. So though this question was looking little lengthy, but if you do step by step, I'm guarantee that you are going to get a correct answer. Okay, just follow step by step. And if you see the number where numerator is having two terms, please put a bracket. Okay. Now moving to the next question. Now sixth question. M minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Here also you can see the variable m is present in the RHS also. So I'm going to transpose that to LHS. So it will become m minus 1 by 2, and as I said, put a bracket, plus m minus 2 by 3 equal to 1. Now you can see how it became plus because here it is minus. So when I transpose it, it will become plus. And then in the RHS only 1 will be left. Now next step is I have to take the LCM. Okay, so LCM of 1, 2 and 3 will be 6 only. Okay, so LCM is 6. Now if you see the first fraction, denominator is 1. So in 1 I have to multiply 6 to get 6. So in the numerator also multiply by 6. It will be 6m minus. In the second fraction, if you see denominator is 2. So in 2 table when 6 comes, when 2 is multiplied by 3. So here also you have to multiply it by 3. And in the third fraction, denominator is 3. So in 3, I have to multiply 2 to get 6. So 2 you have to multiply in the numerator also. So like that, step by step you have to do. Okay, so here it will be 3 plus 3 table when 6 comes, 3 times 2. So here it will be 2 equal to 1. Now 6m. Now use the distributive property. So minus 3 multiplied by m is minus 3m, and minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Plus 2 into m is 2m, plus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, divided by 6 equal to 1. Now 6m minus 3m will give me 3m, plus there is one 2m here. Okay, and plus 3 minus 4. Now I am transposing this denominator to the RHS. It is a division. Division will change to multiplication. Now 3m plus 2m is 5m. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 equal to 6. So 5m equal to, transpose minus 1 to the other side. So it will become 6 plus 1. Next 5m will be equal to 7. So the m will be 7 by 5. Because I am transposing m, it is multiplied here. So when you transpose multiplication, it will become division. So here you can see though the question is looking little difficult, it is in fraction also. But if you follow step by step, easily you will get your answer. Now moving to the seventh question. Simplify and solve the following linear equation. So it is given seventh one is 3 times t minus 3 equal to 5 times 2t plus 1. So these questions are quite easy. You have to use first distributive property, multiply 3 with t and minus 3. Then here also you have to use the distributive property. Then bring the variable to the LHS and then you have to solve. So 3 times t is 3t minus 3 into 3 will give me 9. Then 5 into 2t is 10t plus 5 into 1 will give me 5. Now bringing the variable to left hand side, so 3t. Now 10t transpose it to LHS, it will be minus 10t, and 5 minus 9n if you transpose it will be plus 9. Now 3t minus 10t will give me minus 7t, and 5 plus 9 is 14. Let's transpose minus 7 to other side, so it will become division. So answer will be minus 2. You have already studied it in integers chapter, right? If any one is negative in division, either dividend or divisor, your quotient is going to be negative. Okay, so answer is -2. Now eighth question. Here also you have to first use distributive property and then you have to solve. So let's start using distributive property. 15 times y and then 15 times 4 you have to do. So 15y minus 15 into 4 is 60. Then minus 2y plus 2 into 9 is 18 plus 5y plus 30 equal to 0. Next is 15y minus 2y plus 5y. I'm bringing all the variables to one side. Okay. And then the constant is minus 60. I'm transposing to other side. It will become plus 60. And 8 plus 18 will be minus 18 and plus 30 is minus 30. So what I did, I kept the variable to LHS and constant I transposed to the RHS. Now here 15 minus 2 is 13 and 13 plus 5 will give me 18. 60 minus 18, 42 minus 30. So from here I will get 18y equal to 12. So the value of y will be 12 by 18 because I have transposed 18 to the RHS. So multiplication will change to division. Then 6 times 2, 6 times 3. So it is 2 by 3. So this is your question number 8. Now moving to question number 9. So again here also you have to use the distributive property. It is similar to your previous question. So first multiply 3 with 5z and 3 with 7. So 3 times 5 is 15z minus 21. Then minus 2 into 9 will give me 18z and minus will be plus. 2 into 11 is 22. Then 4 8s are 32z minus 4 into 13 will give me 52 minus 17. Okay. Now again bring all the variable to one side. So it will be 15z minus 18z minus 32z and then constant I am transposing to RHS. So 21 minus 22 minus 52 plus minus 17. And here if you see 15 minus 18 will give me minus 3z minus 32z and 21 minus 22 is minus 1 and minus 52 minus 17. So it will be minus 69. So minus 3z minus 32z. It will give me minus 35z equal to minus 70. So the value of z will be minus 70 divided by minus 35, which will give me 2. Now here dividend and divisor both is negative. So the quotient will be positive. We have already studied this in integers chapter, right? Now moving to the last question. 0.25 multiplied by 4f minus 3 equal to 0.05 multiplied by 10f minus 9. So now here also if the children see here decimal numbers, they get scared. So what I am doing here, I will convert decimal to fraction. So 0.25 I can write as 25 by 100. You can solve like 0.25 also. Okay. Here 0.05 I can write as 5 by 100, 10f minus 9. Now from LHS I am transposing this 100 to other side. So division will change to multiplication, right? Why I am doing? To make my calculation simpler. Okay. So when I transpose this 100 from LHS to RHS, division change to multiplication. And you can see this 100 and this 100 will get cancelled out. Now it became like a normal question, right? Now decimal point is not there at all. So use the distributive property. 25 into 4 will give me 100f minus 25 into 3 will give me 75 equal to 5 into 10f will give me 50f minus 5 into 9 will give me 45. Then bring the variable to one side. So 100f minus 50f equal to minus 75. When you transpose, it will be plus 75 minus 45. So 100 minus 50 is 50f and 75 minus 45 is 30. So from here I can write f as 30 by 50. I have transposed 50 to other side. So multiplication changed to division. 0, 0 cancel. So it is 3 by 5. Now in the question, here decimal number was there. So I will give the answer in decimal. So if my denominator is 10 or 100 or 1000, it is easy to convert in decimal, right? So I am going to get an equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 where my denominator is 10. So in 5, if I multiply by 2, I will get 10. So 3 also you have to multiply by 2 because I am getting an equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Whatever number I am multiplying in denominator, I have to multiply in the numerator also. So it will become 6 by 10. 6 by 10 is 0.6. So from here I can write the solution of the equation is 0.6. Now other way to convert the decimal is you have to use the division method. Okay. So that's all for today's class. And in my next class now I will be doing few word problem. I know that word problems are not there in the rationalized textbook, but I will pick few good questions from R.S. Agarwal or from the old NCERT textbook and I will be solving that because in many schools they cover the word problems also. Okay. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today's class. Thank you.